So I built this tool called ZenShot. Basically, every time I hit a milestone with transcribe, I wanted to post it on Twitter. But making the graphic took longer than I wanted to spend on. So I just made a tool that does it like in 30 seconds. Let me show you. Alright, so let's say I just hit $1,000 in revenue. There is this template here for different stuff. I just grab this one, type in the number, label it, add some context, and it just updates as you go. Then you pick a background that doesn't look terrible. I usually just go with one of those gradients. You can hit the remix button if you want to shuffle through the different layouts and themes. And then you just copy or download it. That's it. That whole thing was maybe 30 seconds. There is another templates too, like if you are doing one of those 30-day challenges. So that's ZenShot. It's free right now. I'm just trying to see if people actually use it. If you build stuff and post about it, this might save you some time. Links in the comments if you wanna try it out. That's it.